excited. Look, it's beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allison. I don't normally film unboxing videos here on my channel, but I just got in my iPhone 13 Pro and I figured I would show you guys. I'm so excited. Look, it's beautiful. I just got it shipped to me. Currently have the iPhone 12 Pro and I love it. My battery wasn't as good and it would die really quickly even if I charged it like all night before, but that was really the only thing that was wrong with it. And my storage was just insanely full, and I am a content creator, so I work full-time on my phone, so storage is like the biggest thing for me. I really do need a lot of storage. Also, my dog is going to be annoying throughout this whole video, so if you hear little tippy taps, that's him on the floor. So I had this phone for about a year. I figured it was time to upgrade and I wanted to get a lot of storage on my new phone, so I decided to get the 13 Pro instead of the 13 Pro Max. They do have the same camera, so I wanted to make sure that I had the best camera since I'm always taking pictures on my phone and creating content from my phone. I know the battery is a lot better on the 13 Pro Max, so that is a benefit of it. I didn't think the bigger size would fit comfortably in my hand, and I wanted to keep the same size that I have now. So I decided to get the 13 Pro. This is the silver one, even though it does look white, and it has the 512 gigabytes. I went to T-Mobile, I ordered it in store, and they didn't have the one I wanted in store, so then they shipped me this one, and it took about 3 to 5 days, which wasn't bad. Also comes with the USB power adapter. And then I did buy a screen protector at T-Mobile, and it works on the 13 and the 13 Pro, so I'm gonna put this on as well. Setting up the Face ID. Creating my passcode. So I'm actually choosing not to restore it from my iCloud backup. I'm gonna start this phone fresh as a new phone, and then if I have anything specific from my old phone that I wanna put on it, I will do that manually. The first step is to clean this wipe. Third step is to take the sticker to get the dust off. Let's open the camera on it since that is the main reason that I bought it. Personalize the look of your photos by bringing your preferences into the capture. Oh, this is the photo it just took of my flowers. I wanted to show you quickly a comparison of the two different phones. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro and then this is the iPhone 12 Pro. They are almost like identical in size. As you can see, like literally identical, but you do need a different case for the iPhone 13 Pro because of the back. The only thing that's different is the backs of the cameras. The 13 Pro is a bigger square. They do both have the 3-circle camera, but the iPhone 13 is a lot bigger. The square is a lot bigger and it sticks out a lot more. So you definitely will need a different case specifically for the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Sizing is extremely comparable, which is why I chose the 13 Pro instead of the 13 Pro Max, because I knew that one was a lot bigger and I didn't think it would fit comfortably in my hand. So they are really nice cameras, both of them. This is the iPhone 13 Pro and it's just a lot more like sharper, clearer. The picture is lighter. Now let's look, this is if I were to go take a video. And again, I didn't think there was anything wrong with the iPhone 12 camera. That's not why I chose to get the iPhone 13 Pro. I do think the 12 is a really good camera. I just had no storage on this phone, which was the main reason I wanted to upgrade to a bigger gigabyte. But still, you really can't go wrong. Like, both of the cameras are really nice. This is a difference in the picture I just took. Same exact picture. You can tell the settings are a little bit different on each phone. I like the way the 13 Pro came out. I feel like it's more clear. It does have a different hue. But overall, both really good cameras and both phones are still really nice and operate somewhat the same. But I feel like the operation with the 13 Pro is just so much more crisp. Apps load way quicker. The way the phone functions is just a lot sharper and a lot quicker. The amount I paid at T-Mobile was $374.94 to pay off my iPhone 12 Pro first, and then I put another $300 down on the 13 Pro, and I'm just going to pay it off monthly so I don't pay all of it all up front. This is an easy way for me to be able to afford my phones. An Amazon storefront that I always have linked down below in the description box. This is just all of my favorite products from Amazon, and I made an iPhone category for you guys. I own all of these products for the iPhone 13 Pro. These are just some of my favorite accessories that I think are necessary. The first one being an iPhone case. Obviously, we do not want to go caseless with a new phone. I really wanted just like a plain, simple, clear one that I would not get sick of. This one is made specifically by Apple, and it is also MagSafe, which just means that you can plug in the certain iPhone accessories and it connects to the case, which is pretty cool. On Amazon, they have all these starter packs where you can get all of the accessories together depending on what you want. So like this has the charger and the wallet. I chose just to get the Apple MagSafe charger separately, and it just charges by Apple, so you know that it's safe. And it connects onto the case I bought, which is really nice. It can be used to wirelessly charge your iPhone 8 or later, as well as AirPod models with a wireless charging case. I also linked the Apple 20W USB-C power adapter. You need this to connect to a charger for your iPhone. It's the block that comes with the phone. However, I know some people were saying that their phones did not come with this block anymore. However, mine did come with it included. I don't know if it's because I bought it from T-Mobile and not from Apple, but I linked it here as well in case your iPhone does not come with it, because it's something you're definitely going to need. It doesn't come with the charging cable, but again, Amazon has a bunch of starter packs that you can buy that do come together depending on what the need is. I did link another fast charger that is Apple certified. If you don't have a fast charger, you need one. I swear this like changed my life. You plug your phone in and it charges it in like 10 minutes. It's amazing. I always have one of these like lying around in my house or like in my car that I can take with me. Next accessory you definitely need is a screen protector of some sort. I always choose to get a glass one. I think they are the most protected. I drop my phone all the time and it literally never cracks with these screen protectors on. This one's especially cool because it comes with a protector for the specific camera on the 13. If you didn't like the first case I linked from the Apple store, this one isn't Apple, but it's another cool clear case. I really like the square edges of it. I think it's really different and adds a little like trendy vibe to your phone case without being like an obnoxious pattern. It's still like a neutral. And another plus is that it is still compatible with the MagSafe charger. The last item I wanted to share with you guys is this car mount. I use it for my GPS, and it has a little suction cup that you just stick to the windshield or a mirror or anything like that. It has a little clamp like a claw clip that you easily put your phone onto. All of these accessories are linked on my storefront if you are interested, which I will have in the description box. Here is the case in person. And I'll just put it right on my phone so you can see. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel. I make fashion, lifestyle, vlogs, all different types of videos, so it would mean the world to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.